Is Devonthink the document manager that'll finally get your digital life organized? Or is it just expensive hype? Let's break it down. Devonthink is a Mac and iOS app that stores all your files in one place. Think of it as a super-powered filing cabinet. It can hold PDFs, images, web pages, emails, and pretty much any file type you throw at it. The big selling point? It uses AI to help you find stuff and make connections between your documents. The good stuff. First, the search is amazing. It scans through everything, even text inside images, using something called OCR. So that old scan receipt, totally searchable. The AI also suggests related documents, which is pretty cool when you're doing research. Second, it syncs across all your devices. Start reading on your Mac, continue on your iPhone, no hassles. Third, it's built like a tank. This thing has been around for years and rarely crashes. Your data feels safe here. The not so good. The price is rough. We're talking around $200 for the Pro version. That's a lot for a filing system, even a smart one. The learning curve is steep. This isn't drag and drop simple. You'll spend time setting it up and figuring out how to use it properly. It's also Mac only for the full experience. Sure, there is an iOS app, but Windows users are out of luck. Who should buy it? Devonthink makes sense if you handle tons of documents for work or research. Lawyers, academics, writers, and consultants love it. If you just need to store family photos and a few PDFs, it's overkill. Final verdict. Devonthink is legit, but it's not for everyone. It's powerful, reliable, and really helpful if you need serious document management. But the price and complexity mean you should really need what it offers. For most people, simpler options exist. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.